Welcome back, YouTubers. We're back. This is part 2. The AC compressor removal and installation. This will be a 2008 S63 AMG with the 6.3, actually 6.2 liter. So part 1 shows you how pretty much to take everything off. There's the new one, ready to go. Kind of tricky. So what I did is I took the line. Let's see here. So I took this line off. This one here. I took this off and I put it on the new one. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, pretty much everything's in. I just gotta tighten them up. Yeah, kind of a pain in the ass to line up. So what I did is I dropped it from the front end, from the top, wiggled it in here with the line attached. Replaced all the O-rings on it, put the line on, that line. This other one up here, I can't even really see it. Anyways, let's go. So I wiggled it in through here, through the top. Kind of pull some of these lines up, fished it through, and after that I came down here, from right here. I didn't bolt it down, and I adjusted it. Right in there I was able to use my long extension, this sucker right here, with the Torx. So I put back the original Torx 40 on this one. So this compressor here came with this sucker. This one's short. So I ended up using this, and yeah, it didn't go too good. I was fighting it for a while. It took me about 2 hours in right now. Dropped it in. So yeah, I put the line over here. So the line sticks this way, comes out this way. And then I dropped it in from the back end. Right in there. And then I kind of went underneath it. Oh, very crucial. This will help you out a ton. Take this, loosen this one up. This bracket here for this line. So it'll be easier to move around. Yep, and after that, just come right through here with this. Boom, tighten it up. And then adjust it, put all the bolts back, and tighten everything up. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, I definitely recommend getting this engine hoist. It makes the job a lot easier because you got to go pretty high with the motor. It's still pretty high right now, so alright. Let's see that motor mount. See, motor mounts up. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and part 3 will be just refilling the AC and enjoying the cool air. So thanks a lot, you guys.